As an exotic pet owner, you know that your scaly or slithery companion is far from ordinary. They bring a slinky happiness to your life, but they also come with unique challenges. When it comes to veterinary care, you need a provider that understands the specialized needs of your exotic pet. Unfortunately, most pet insurance companies are not willing to bat an eye for exotic pet owners. This leaves you in a vulnerable position. Without the right protection, you could be left with staggering vet bills. You may be forced to make difficult decisions about your pet's treatment, potentially putting their life at risk. What is exotic pet insurance? For the most part, exotic pet insurance is almost the same as pet insurance. Only difference being, exotic pet insurance is reserved for uncommon pets. Now, naturally, you might be curious about some common pets that fall under the umbrella of a pet insurance company's exotic category. Below are common pets found in a pet insurance company's exotic category: amphibians, bearded dragons, birds, chameleons, chinchillas, ferrets, gerbils, goats, guinea pigs, hamsters, hedgehogs, iguanas, lizard mice, other reptiles, pigs, rats, rabbits, snakes, shuga, gliders, tortoises, turtles. With that out of the way, time for us to learn more about the finer details of exotic pet insurance. Here's something interesting. Exotic pet insurance policies often cover similar procedures and treatments to those for cats and dogs. This means that if your iguana needs surgery or your chinchilla gets a case of the sniffles, you are not going to be unprepared. Instead, you will be in a position where you can easily get reimbursed for the medical attention that your pet needs. Just keep in mind that, like traditional pet insurance, coverage is typically limited to accidents and illnesses and doesn't include preventive care or pre-existing conditions. Here's a quick rundown of the most common types of coverage offered traditionally by exotic pet insurance policies. Accidental injuries, chronic illnesses, common illnesses, hereditary issues, hospitalization procedures, lab work, serious illnesses. Time to move on to money talk. What sort of costs are associated with exotic pet insurance? Exotic pet insurance has similar costs as compared to standard pet insurance. Monthly premiums can vary from $10 to $100. Price is influenced by numerous factors including the type of pet you want to cover, your location, reimbursement percentage, deductibles, wellness add-ins, current age of the pet, and more. In the next section, we will proceed to address some of the common questions and concerns exotic pet owners might have about exotic pet insurance policies. Ready for our first question? It's a big one that keeps many pet owners up at night. Are there any age restrictions for enrolling in exotic pet insurance? Age restrictions are a common concern for many pet owners considering exotic pet insurance. The good news is that many pet insurance providers do not have age limits for enrolling your exotic pet in coverage. This means that whether your pet is a newborn or a senior citizen, you can still get the protection you need for their health and well-being. Of course, it's important to keep in mind that the monthly premium you'll pay for coverage may vary based on your pet's age and other factors, such as their breed, medical history, and the level of coverage you choose. So, whether you have a young, wild iguana or a wise old tortoise, there's no need to worry about age restrictions when it comes to protecting your exotic pet with insurance. Just do your research, compare options, and find the policy that best fits your pet's unique needs and your budget. What to do if you have a question or concern about your exotic pet insurance policy? Directly reaching out to your insurance provider would be your best bet if you have any question or concern about your exotic pet insurance policy. Almost all insurance companies have customer service representatives available to assist you with any issues or questions you may have. When contacting your provider, be sure to have your policy number and any relevant details about your pet and the situation you are inquiring about. This will help the representative assist you more efficiently and effectively. One more thing. Many insurance providers have online portals or mobile apps that allow you to manage your policy, file claims, and communicate with customer service representatives. Be sure to explore these options if they are available to you. Can you customize your pet insurance policy to fit your pet's specific needs? Most definitely. Exotic pet insurance providers are more than happy to offer you the option to customize your policies to fit your pet's specific needs. What might that look like? Well, you could make necessary adjustments to your reimbursement percentage, plausibly choose a higher or lower deductible, or add a wellness or preventative care coverage. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to finding the best exotic pet insurance for your unique companion. With this knowledge, you can make informed decisions and provide the best care possible for your furry, feathered, or scaled friend.